Yosemite Lakes Church. This is Elisa, your women's pastor. I want to give you a little update on our last women's retreat this summer. The theme was Refresh and Restore, and we had a fantastic day. We spent half a day creating together, making new friends, catching up with old ones, studying the Word, and really pressing in to intentionally draw closer to God and to each other. Our team worked hard to bring these very special women the best of everything, including high-quality crafts, lunch from Panera, an inspiring message, prayer stations, and guided solitude. I want to thank each person who gave their time and talent to make this day so unique and tailored to each person there. I am so grateful for our incredible team. If you would like to be a part of it, let me know. There's always room for one more.